Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you so much for uthando lakho ne-support yakho. Ungakhohlwa ukuqhubeka usubscribe. Mangabe awukasubscribe yenze njalo mntaka baba. Angazi guys kodwa nibuka ama-video ningasubscribe ngoba subscribe, ulike, ushare guys. It is all absolutely free. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Singena odabeni ke laphana sizokhuluma ke ngoba uPravin Gordhan. Is it Pravin Gordhan? Guys, ngicela ningayinaki pronunciation. It's Pravin Gordhan. Gordhan. Khona lokho. But anyways, yeah you guys. Kunendaba ezingazinhle laphana ke ngoba baba siyabona laphana ngathi ukuthiwa ke use admitiwe ke esibhedlela njalo not le kati sebeza. Okay, former Public Enterprises Minister uPravin Gordhan admitted into hospital. Kwazi kwakubi lokho you guys kusho ukuthi useyathola ukugula kubaba laphana usephuthwe nje esibhedlela wa admitwa. Sizozwa ke odabeni lwakhe you guys ukuthi kungani ke eseyewa admitted esibhedlela. The former Minister of Public Enterprises, Pravin Gordhan, has been admitted to the hospital. His family confirmed the news earlier this evening, which is izolo ke ngiyacabanga or izolo okuthanga mhlawumbe. Kuthiwa he is receiving the best medical care. In a statement, the family said that Gordhan is receiving the best available medical care. The family requests privacy during this difficult time. Further updates on his condition will be provided. The family said that lapana statement sabo ke earlier this year ubaba Gordhan on 74 announced that he would be retiring from politics after the 29 May general elections to prepare the way for the new administration and smooth transition. In a statement in March, his former department said the Minister Gordhan has led the Department of Public Enterprises since 2018, a tenure that followed a string of other critical leadership roles he previously held in government since the advent of our democracy 30 years ago. The statement continued to say the announcement was intended to set in motion processes to ensure a smooth transition for the minister and the department, as it often the case at the end of every administration. Now, Gordhan served as Minister of Finance from 2009 until 2014, and again from 2015 until 2017. He was also a Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs from 2014 until 2015, as well as Minister of Public Enterprises from February 2018 till June 2024. Ebabika ke laphana ukuthi baba usewa admitwa ke esibhedlela umndeni wakhe ongathi ucela ke iprivacy nyana you guys bezokwazi ukuthi badile nalezi indaba ke zokuadmitwa kwakhe esibhedlela. Zazimbili lezi indaba you guys sengathi ke angalulama ke laphana ubaba uminister you guys ubaba Pravin Gordhan ngolunye nje lezi indaba ezingekho mnandi ke. Anyways, let us move in to istory esilandelayo. Okay, kwesilandelayo kasikhulume laphana ngoba uZikodwa njengoba sisakhuluma ngama minister njena you guys. Ubaba uZikodwa I think waye minister of Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture if I'm not mistaken. Siyazi ukuthi kunama case kune case yakhe something like that uloke gijime court ubaba uZikodwa. So laphana ke ngiyabona ukuthi bese court angazi noma kuyizolo noma kukuthangike ngoba ngisuke ngisemuva you guys ngezistory. So ukuthi uZikodwa's defense now blames court for his client in not getting a post in the new cabinet. Akatholanga ipost ke ku cabinet entsha ke ubaba uZikodwa. So ke his defense now is blaming the court for that. Ukuthi client labo ke azake lathola post laphana mhlambe kungenxa ama delays or whatever into ezekayo laphana ecourt. Udaba lokababa uZikodwa you guys matter against uZikodwa and co-accused postponed to October. Udaba labo selulwa to postpone. Now the defense for fraud and corruption accused former sports minister and AN spokesperson uZikodwa told the court that his client was likely to continue being a minister in the 7th administration if it wasn't for the delay in this case. So ke basola ngokuthi delay kule case yona yenza ukuthi egcine engasaqhubekanga lapha ngokuthi abe uminister akatholanga kwa posting yana akatholanga lutho ngoba ke udaba lwakhe lusaqhubeka futhi nje kuloku kuya postpone you guys. So ukodwa and his co-accused what is that? Yehan. Okay. Yehan McKay appeared briefly at the Palm Ridge Commercial Crimes Court today. So, happy ke laphana ngama delays, you guys. Ukodwa's defense, who advocate Zola Majavu, threatened to apply for a separation of trial so that his client's case continues instead of being delayed by McKay, making representations to the Director of Public Prosecutions to have charges against him dropped. Majavu told the court the delay in this case has had adverse impact on his client's life. The truth of the matter is that with every single day that passes, real and perceived with reference to my client, is significant. He plays in a political position, and wherever he goes, he is viewed as someone who has stolen money. So, okusho ukuthi khona bona ababona ukuthi he stole the money, even though he's accused of corruption and Umajavu emphasized that they are ready to proceed and want their day in court. I hope, Your Worship, that this is the last time we deal with things that have nothing to do with him. Metaphorically, they are joined by the hip, unfortunately, but I just wanted the record to reflect that we were ready three months ago. We are ready today and we'll be ready on 3 October. He said, if on the 3rd of October there is no progress, no one should be surprised by what their intentions are. It's nothing personal, but those are my instructions and I stand fully behind them. That is Umajavu. Koto was arrested along with McKay in June and is out on bail of 30,000 rands over bribes totaling to 1.6 million rands that he allegedly received in the form of cash, luxury accommodation and other gratifications. The payments were made to Kodwa when he was national spokesperson of the ANC and were allegedly aimed at influencing a state information technology contract in favor of an EOH entity. Into ezikanjalo. So ke baba uKodwa laphana kuloku kuyapostpone ke indaba zakhe, you guys. So ke his defense is kind of like blaming court ukuthi wonke lama delays impact ke iba impilo kababuzizi, kodwa ingakho nje you guys kunjena nje akazange athole post laphana ku cabinet entsha ngendaba yokuthi ke udaba lwakhe ecourt lusaqhubeka ikhona okwenzekayo ke you guys ngestories kababuzizi kodwa. So yeah man, you guys, ama ministers sikhulumeke laphana ngobaba uPrevin Gordhan okuthiwa use admit esibhedlela, besitha sikhulume njalo ngodaba loka owaye nguminister ke babuzizi kodwa kusho ukuthi beyifunile ke leya post ke njengoba bekhala ukuthi yonke into ya delay nje you guys. Asibonga ukuthi imameli videos oshuvo la ka comment section you guys. Thank you so much for uthando lwakho ne support yakho. Ungakhohlwa ukuyilike ivideo kubalekile. Siphinde sibonane njalo kwenye elandelayo. Bye.